bên kia ít chục phao nữa giờ tua ít chục phao cái gì tua chỉ trâu rồng nữa giờ sai xe bên kia bộ tàu cho tới bãi sai nữa dùng đi chụp thở lo chở thiên nó chia xe lo đi trả nên cho tới bãi một sai
thâu chú tê tao nó giang cầu nó
tụt thở lo giờ tua tụt thở món chả của sai sợ tụt su sợ su lia cơ thì lại
nó lấy về rồi
cũng chỉ đi
lòng nó lấy về rồi
cái tụt su lia đi nó mà cú dùng đi liver nữa tụt su nó nè cũng chỉ hai cân cơ tàu mà sáng chấm à ô tụt su cú lia plong tất nhiên mà mình chỉ bỏ cái con chả này cho bé ôi chả luôn
lo mà giờ cho thu nó nè thu nó chỉ
thu lấy những bọn chả hả đây là sai cho cá tất nhiên mà cú chỉ bọn chả này để cho ôi chả nữa.
I'm a little worried about it. It looks like it's a little farther back, so that might be okay.
Okay.
My worry is that you only caught one lung because it's kind of high. The shot was.
Right. Yeah.
But the fact that you guys just went in there and looked around and then walked out and didn't. So you shot at noon. At what time? 10:40 now, almost 11 hours.
Yeah. Thế chỉ tao chỉ mà nó bé hù là cho ô tô thằng bên tiền nữa. Hey buddy, you mind if this goes on YouTube?
Hey, cool.
Okay.
Bring it. One step up behind it. Hey, I told
You guys just wait right here. Whoever wants to walk talkie. If I find blood or find the deer, I'll radio up. Or if I need to radio, I'll let you know.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do is she's gonna track the deer by the scent, of that individual deer.
Yep.
She's trained to stick to that deer and ignore all the other ones. And hopefully she does that. And hopefully she'll take us straight to where the deer is.
Okay.
If I find blood, I'll radio up.
Right.
If I think she's off the trail, I'll come back and restart her. Sometimes it may take 2 or 3 restarts before she acquires the deer we're after. And
all right.
So,
okay.
All right, girl, you ready?
The blood's right here.
All right. And all right.
straight that way.
All right, girl. Find it.
Yeah, I'm the only guy. You guys stay back. You want one person or two?
Yeah, just you, and then I'll radio.
Just me. You have to stay, Louis.
So if you want to try and also keep an eye out for blood.
Yeah.
And what she's at? Whoa. Where you going, girl?
Bây giờ các bí đùa được rồi. Too old.
How far did you walk, you said?
We just went right there.
And then you just left?
Yeah, we came back.
Okay. Let's see where she takes it. Are you sure it went this way?
Yeah, he's sending one that way.
She's going to do a lot of this. She may smell something here and then she's branching off, trying to figure out which direction it is. Yeah, I see lots of deer poop.
Huh?
I see lots of deer poop. I haven't seen any blood yet, but it's kind of hard to. Stop.
You think we're in the wrong trail?
Yeah, I think she's on a hot trail of a fresh, deer that came in since he shot his. That's the way she barks and poos like that.
Oh.
When she's on a fresh deer, but. Look right there.
Oh, ho, woo!
Turn your camera on.
Oh my God!
We got the deer.
Good job!
We found the deer.
Woo!
I don't know how to tell you to get here.
Oh my God!
Good job, girl.
Good job!
I said we found the deer. Give me a minute and we'll give you directions where it's at.
I go halfway. You can stay
All
here.
right, I'll stay right here.
Good job, Shane. Woo-hoo!
Good job, Callie.
Wow.
Good job, Shane.
Wow, good girl. Wow, very, very impressive. Wow, very impressive.
You gonna get this mounted?
He probably will.
Okay. Well,
Yep.
I usually let her chew on the back here a little
Okay,
bit.
yep.
For a reward.
All right, yeah.
All right. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes.
All right, sounds good. Okay, so you guys.
Use your phone and mark your load.
Thế lại tụi một lử nữa. Ô, khổ đi thế này, giờ tụi Âu này. Tầm ăn lần chia tụi một lử nữa, thế Âu thế lại một lử tia lì nữa, còn rừng này do chỉ dùng chia nó chỉ dùng bài dùng ít khó, giờ mà giờ say giờ thì một lử dùng chia một lử to rồi, nó sẽ mà một lử một cho bột tờ yar nữa, tụi một lử nữa. There it is. Found the deer. It's not bad, Louis.
Not bad.
Yeah, dude. It's actually better than I thought.
Đó.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chưa cần gì sure ra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the G's would have been a little bit higher, it would have been awesome, man.
Yeah. It's not bad.
I can't believe the dog found it, man. This is, I think the experience of the dog is just, it's phenomenal.
Cái đó được.
Not bad, dude.